Hey guys, Mul-T-Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I'm gonna pick this Mul-T-Lock. Actually, it's gonna be a repick because I've already picked this once a while back. Yeah, I'm trying to brush up on my dimple lock picking, practicing in preparation to pick this beautiful lock here, which will be coming up. But yeah, let's try to get this picked, and if we get it open, I'll show you guys what's inside. So let's put her in the vise here. Yeah, I've only picked two Mul-T-Locks, this one and the one I just showed right over here. And out of dimple locks, I've only probably picked 5, and 3 of those are pin and pins, but one of those 3 was a challenge lock actually. But yeah, doing great with this homemade pick here. Like to eventually get a set of those honest dongs or something like that, but for the amount of dimple locks I run into and how often I pick them, this is serving great for me. I like the double-ended style, so I don't have to pick up my smaller pick as often. Just switch it around. But yeah, we'll see what we got here. One's binding already. False set. Counter rotation on 2. I think I'm going to hold off on 3. Four. Lost our false set. We'll get it back on 2. 5. And let's look for 3 now. And we lost everything. Feels like it anyway. I'll release tension, and 2 came down again. I think we got 3. 4 came down. I should have showed you guys the bidding too. So 2 is like a gatekeeper because it comes down all the time. Oh, 5, and oh, it's the thing about this pick, it's so long it hits the camera. And again, trying to pick 4. We lose everything, but I'll take this opportunity to show you the key and that it works. Pretty damn good bidding too. But let's try this again. So we know 1. Oh, there's that pick hitting the camera again. We know that 1 gives us our false set, but it's freaking hard to pick. And 2. Gonna wait on 3, go right to 4. Got it. 5. Okay. Now we'll check 3. And again, we drop at least 2 and 4. And then trying to pick 4, I drop 2. And there's 5. Oh, let's see what we got with that. I'm going to switch to the smaller pick here for the inner pins. Hopefully we have all the outers picked. Now this is the part that I have a really hard time with. I really suck at locating on those, inner pins. I kind of just use the pick to feel that I'm on the outer pin, and then kind of move it to the start of the pin and the back of the pin, and then try to even out and guess in the middle, if that makes any sense. Okay, there we go. So we're getting somewhere. The only thing I found too is you can get some of the inner pins picked and still be on the outers, and then I'll have to start all over again because I can't get that outer picked without saving everything or without dropping anything, which might be the case this time. Yeah, I think it is. Oh, maybe not. Oh, yeah, it is. Let's try it though. I switch back to this side. And it's number 3, which is a really high cut, and it's friggin' hard to get. Yeah, I can't get it. Not at this stage anyway. Okay, there we go. And maybe we are able to continue. Keep it in the camera with my pick. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we know we're close. And really I should be switching back to this pick, but I can do it with the other one. There it is. Sweet. I'll take that for sure. I don't know if it's quicker or slower than my last time picking this, but I don't know. For me, when I have a break of picking these locks, it's not like getting on a bike. You have to kind of relearn them, at least for me. So yeah, it's obviously picked. I can lock it back up, and we'll see what's inside. Oh, we'll see what's inside. Really like these locks. I almost want to say this classic is harder to pick than the interactive. I don't know if other people feel that way or if it's just me, but at least for my small sample size here of these two locks, I mean, this one has serrated pins, but I don't know, it's almost a little easier to pick. Feels that way anyway. Not to mention, well, I'll show this in a second there, but oh, what's going on here? Whoa. Not to mention these have like spooled key pins, which you can overset, and you'll still have your false set and think that you're, you know what I mean, lead you to believe that you're not overset when you actually are, if you're not thinking about that. Okay, put this over here. Trying to do things through cameras, your depth perception isn't the same. It's kind of funny. Okay, so that's what I was wondering, if one is a standard and the rest are spools. Check that out in a second. Let that spring back. Looks almost like it's mangled. I'll go through the back here. And there we go. So multi-locks can have quite a variety of different pins. They can have some where the inner is like countermilled, and I'm not sure if there's any, or sorry, they have some that the outer is countermilled, and I'm not sure if there's any with security features on the inner pins, but yeah, and they have some that I think the drivers have a little, the inners of the drivers have little security features on them. But yeah, so one is a standard, hence the false set after picking it, and the rest are spools. And we also have a spool in number 2 and number 4, which are on the longest of pins, so potential for an overset there. But yeah, really cool lock. These are some fun and rewarding to pick open. It's a great feeling getting into these. I remember the first time I got into it. It's yeah, that deep false set is pretty cool, and good feedback too, so you know what you're doing. You know, there's a progression there where you know you're actually getting somewhere, which is pretty cool. So yeah, we'll look forward to this. I'm not sure if I'll do it next video or a couple videos, but definitely have this to look forward. I've been saving it for a rainy day. Freaking love this thing. What a cool lock. Alright guys, I'll sign off with that, and as always, I appreciate everyone's support, appreciate your comments, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.